everyone, today we're going to be making a keychain. We will be needing a key ring, a few beads, some string or ribbon, and some tape.
And I'm going to use this scissor.
By the way, tape is optional. First, we'll have to be getting the ribbon or string.
We half the ribbon and the string or ribbon.
Yeah, we have to fold it in half. Then you have to do a loop knot. If you don't know what a loop knot is, it's like this. So you have to put it in a loop, like that. Like that. Done. Now it's gonna just look like this. Now what you do is you get some tape. You stick it on to the table. Just like that. Then you get two beads and you thread it through like that. Then after you thread it through, put it out like this and thread the other side. You have to be very patient. It takes kind of long, but it will look good at the end. Sometimes, so you have to put it on opposite sides. Make sure it's on opposite sides like that, because so this string is going this side and then the other string is going the other side. Put it through and pull it. Ooh. Try not to mix it with work. And then if you do it right, it will be like this. So it'll be this side turned and it'll look like that. Then you get another two and you keep doing it until all your beads are finished. You have to be very patient, as I said before, but it's very fun and it looks very nice at the end. You could do it with an adult, and be careful because you don't want like that. Done. Then another one. The beads with bigger holes are easier to do, and I chose ribbon because it doesn't break. Well, it does break, but it's very easy to put through. And yeah. Thread it up. Careful. And go. Now I'm finished beading, what you do is you have to do a tie at the end. You take the tape off and do a tie at the end. Oops. Put it through and tie. Go. Now you could do, I guess it will be better if you do two ties. That's why I'm going to do it now. Oh, nice. Now what you do is you have to cut off the end. Be careful, scissors are sharp. Go. Now you get your key ring and you thread it through. This is kind of hard. If what you do is you put it through and put that through. Ta-da. Now you could hang it on your bag. I hope you like it. This is a really good present for Mother's Day or Father's Day, and you could do it and a present for your best friends. It could be good luck charms. It's very nice. You can also make it as a bracelet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!